This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. Today we're going to discuss one of the Snowflake object called streams. Okay, using streams you can able to perform the CDC, change data capture. Okay, what are the records got changed or inserted or deleted or updated, the records will be captured. Okay, it's similar like a delta. Same thing we're going to follow now. Okay, but mostly in ETL processing, right, what happens is one of critical challenge for data engineers. They will follow some kind of logics to perform the CDC in every raw tables. What happens, right, based on the update timestamp or versioning of the rows or kind of complex scanning, they will perform the CDC in ETL. Most of the companies will prefer only the updated timestamps, or they will make one column called versioning column. Based on the versions, they will try to extract the updated records, or they will do some kind of scanning they will do. Okay, this is how the ETL process they will find to get the change data capture. Okay, now what happens, right, it's very difficult, okay, like to manage and scale. If the data is keep on growing in the raw layer, it's very difficult to achieve the CDC over there. Now what happens, right, the Snowflake comes with here one of the elegant solution with concept called streams. We will say it's one of the Snowflake database object. Okay, what happens, right? Using Snowflake streams, they will extract the data changes. Whichever the data got changes, that changes alone they will be extracted from the raw layer. Okay, and then if you are using Snowflake streams objects, whenever you perform some CDC, right, that stream database object is going to have some meta columns. Meta columns means it's going to capture some information about the tables. Okay, whether you're inserting or updating or deleting, that kind of information will be captured in which column? Meta columns. Meta columns, because you have to maintain something like versioning or something you have to maintain in the ETL. Okay, but here every information captured in which column? Every information insert, update, edit information captured in which column?
Meta column.
Meta column.
Meta
Okay,
column.
meta column to your existing tables. What are the tables we have, right? On the tables we're going to have some meta columns. Okay, it's going to capture all this information, which are you're doing some updates, deletes or inserts, everything will be all this information captured in the meta columns. Now we're going to see how the Snowflake streams works, and then what are the meta columns. The Snowflake already said to you, it's one of the object. It's going to track all the DML operations against the source table. If your table is keep on refreshing, right, every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, then you can go for the streams kind of concepts. What happens, whenever a table is keep on refreshing, this streams will track those changes performed by the DML. Okay, and then you can extract that changed data, and then you can do some transformations and finally put into the dimension tables in the data warehouse. And then now we're going to talk about the meta columns. We have three meta columns. One is metadata action. If you are using dollar, right, the Snowflake, it's a system function. It's a system. Okay, meta action is one of the meta column. Meta is update is the another column, and metadata row ID is the another column. These three are called the metadata columns. Your streams will capture those informations. Okay, now you might have asked, what is metadata action? What are the action you are performing in the raw layer? If it is insert, it will capture the information. If it is update, it will capture the information. If it is delete, it will capture the information. But this metadata action will capture only two informations. What is will capture only inserts as well as deletes. Now you guys have a question. If any update is happening, what will be my metadata action? I already said to you, only two actions are performed here. Only insert, another one delete. You can't see any update action here because I will take one notepad. I will take one notepad. Now I'm going to have the two columns. Now I'm going to have how many columns? Two columns. This is my source table, ID, name. Now ID is 101. Name is nothing but Suji. Now this is my source table. I have only one record. Okay. Now I'm going to create streams on which table? I will give the table name as employee. I'm going to create the streams on which table? Which table? Streams on employee. Which table? Employee table. Okay. I'm going to create some streams on employee table. What happens, right? I already said to you, what are the meta columns we have? What are the meta columns we have?
Action, metadata update, metadata
is update. System. Yeah. Now in the streams, right, while creating streams on this table, right, what will happen? These three columns will be additionally added in the streams table. Okay. These are the meta columns. Now, what happens, right? Someone is changing, adding new record. 102, send them. 102, send them. Now, what happens in the streams? See, I'm saying to you, this is existing record. Existing record already in this raw layer. Now I'm adding streams on employee table. After that, someone is adding one new record, 102 sendable. Now, what will happen, right? In the streams table, this information also will be there, as well as meta columns also will be there. Now, in the employee table, I doing some insert, 102 sendable. Now, what kind of action I can expect here? What kind of action I can expect here? Someone is inserting the source table, Sujita Priya, employee table. What kind of action I can expect on the streams table? You have to say. Insert. What kind of action? It is insert. And then metadata is update. Whether I'm doing any update here?
No, sir.
Then it will give the boolean value. What value has to give? Boolean value has to give. What boolean value has to give? Bool value. True. Who said true? Don't you have sense?
Update false.
It will be false. There's no update here. Only insert record will be there, right? It's going to false. And then the third will be a row ID. Okay, for each row, they are creating some IDs. Okay, it will be alphanumeric. It will be alphanumeric. Based on this ID, we can able to see the which record it is. Okay, it will be alphanumeric. Leave at this part. Now what I am doing is simple to you guys. Just I'm updating the card. The 101 Suji has been changed to Santosh. Suji has been changed to Santosh. Now what operation it is? Suji has been changed to Santosh.
Update.
Update. Now change to Santosh. Now what happens, right? Just look at the stream table. It's going to have 101. 101. What is the name? What is the name?
Santosh, sir.
Santosh.
No. Just think a while. Okay. It will capture. It will capture. Wait. It will capture. Though you are doing update, right? It will capture the old record as well. Suji. Now, what kind of meta action will be there?
Update.
I already said to you guys, the meta action will have only two kinds of actions. One is insert and delete. Now, 101 Suji is there, right? Now, what kind of meta can I expect here? Suji is updated to Santosh. Now, what kind of meta action I can expect here? Think twice or thrice.
Delete, sir.
Delete, because it's a soft delete. Because you are Updating Suji to whom? Suji to
Santosh.
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 Then it's soft delete. Soft delete means understood, right? This record is already deleted because it's not a hard delete, it's a soft delete. And then now you have to say what's the bool value?
True, sir.
True.
True. And then give some ID. Give some alphanumeric. That's it. Now I didn't complete my part. Okay, now again 101. Now what's the changed value? Santosh. Now what is meta action?
Insert.
Insert. That's it. Because new record insert only, right? Even though you're updating, somewhat inserted. That is now. So what's the meta update?
False.
False.
False. That's it. And then give some row ID. It's alphanumeric. We can't predict which row ID is going to be an automatic one. Now this is how the CDC has been performed. Okay, now I'll show in the demo very clearly, but as of now I'm giving some 10% hints to you guys. This is how the streams will works. Okay, but these are the meta columns. It will be automatic generated by the streams. Okay, no need to worry about this. Everything can taken by the streams object. Now everything is good. Now what happens, right? Everyone knows you're going to capture some information about inserts, updates, deletes. Okay, now what happens, right? The streams, it's going to set some offset value, which going to act like bookmark on this source table version timeline. Now, if you are reading some books, what you will do? You're reading some 100 pages. From tomorrow, you want to read from 101. What you will do from in the book?
Bookmark.
You will bookmark something, right? You will bookmark something. The same thing the streams will do. Okay, what happens, right? It will maintain one bookmark concept before the DML and after DML changes. Got it? I'm giving the same example to you guys. Sujita is reading one book. She read 50 pages. Tomorrow she has to start from 51. What she will do? For orientation, she will place one pen or pencil somewhere. She will keep in the 50th page, or she will bookmark. Okay, this is a page I read from 51. I read tomorrow. The same concept. What happens, right? Before the DML, after DML, it's going to maintain one offset value. Stream sits in what value? What value it is?
Offset.
Offset. They are setting the offset value. It's going to bookmark on the source table version timeline. Now, before DML, it's version 0. Just keep the offset value 0. After DML, what happened, right? It's very version 1. And again some changes are there. Version 2, version 3, version 4, version 5, version 6. It will keep the versions in the source table. Got it? Whenever you are querying the stream table, right? See, whenever querying the stream table, what happens? It will access the native versioning is your source table and it will only the minimal set of row changes. Whichever row got changed, that row alone will be returned. That's why you're saying is stream will work like a offset pointer. Or if I understood right, now if you want to read 50 pages, the book contains 50 pages. You read 10 pages. What you will do? You'll keep the offset value as what you'll keep the offset value today. Totally 50 pages are there. 10 read today. Now what's the offset value?
10, sir.
10. Tomorrow you have to start from 11.
11.
If you read around 20 pages, now what's the offset value?
20.
Sudhita Priya.
20.
What's the offset value?
20.
20. Like this. Just think in a ETL way. Whenever the DML happens, some data got table got refreshed, it will change the offset value. From that offset value, will read. Now, same thing will happen in the streams. See guys, today I'm giving this overview. Okay, there are n number of things is there. I want to discuss this entire thing. What is offset storage, and then I want to see about table versionings. Okay, today is just an intercession. That's why I'm giving somewhat hints to you guys. Now, like what happens, right? Whenever the stream table is queried, it's going to act as a native versioning stream. Okay, what's the current version of ECTF source table? It's going to run only a minimal set of rows. Minimal set of rows means whichever records got updated, that row alone will be get fetched. Okay. Now, I'm going to discuss about how to create streams. This syntax, guys: create or replace stream. My stream is a stream table. This also a table. My stream is a table. Okay, it's a stream table. On table, you have to provide the raw table name. You have to provide. Raw means the source table you have to provide. Okay, if any change happened in this raw table, that changes alone will be captured in which table?
Streams. My streams.
In my stream table. You can see only a delta here, and then you can see the meta columns. Meta means metadata columns. Got it? It will track the history of these tables. The stream table will keep an offset pointer whenever the DML happened in the table. It will take those changes and put into the which table?
My stream table.
My streams table. Okay. Now you might have questions where I can able to create some streams. You can able to create streams on standard tables, data tables, external tables also you can able to create streams. Views also you can able to create streams. Now, in this syntax, if you want to create streams for external tables, where you will provide external table name here? The syntax where you will provide external table name.
My table.
My table is there, right? You have to provide external table name. That's it. If you want to create the streams views, where you have to change?
My stream, sir.
Views. No.
If you are creating some views, okay. If you are creating some views, what happens? If any changes happens the views, okay. Where place? You place in my streams or my table? Guys, I'm asking you only.
My table.
My table. If you want to track any changes on this, you can be external table or data tables. I took data tables as well. You know, normal table, standard table. Okay, external tables also I took. Externally, you can able to query data from the stage. External stage you can able to query. It can be AWS S3, or it can be Google Cloud Storage, or it can be Azure Blob. Okay, using external tables you can query the data. As well as if you want to get the changes on the views, you can put view name here. Okay, this is how you can able to do. Now, Snowflake streams cannot be created by the following objects. You cannot use materialist views, because materialist views will have your own storage layer. Okay, as well as you can't use in UDFs, secure UDFs, and secure views is their own concept is there. You can't use streams on materialist views as well as secure views and secure UDF. Can't able to create. Got it? Where you can able to create streams? In
Standard tables.
standard tables,
Data
data
tables.
tables, external tables, and views. Not on
Materialized views and
materialist
secure
views,
views.
secure views, and secure UDF. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is just I'm going to talk about the 3 points, and then I'm going to discuss the meta columns. Straight I go for demo. Okay, because it demo will take around 30 to 40 minutes, guys. I'm straight away going for a demo. Okay. After that, there are n number of features available in streams. We're going to discuss in the later sessions. Now, what are the key things to know about Snowflake streams? See, in Snowflake streams, there is no hard limit. You can create n number of streams. You can create n number of streams. In Day95 tables, you can able to create only 4,000 Day95 tables you can create. But in streams, there is no hard limit. You can create n number of streams. You can create, and then you can create streams of standard tables, views, Data tables and external tables supported in source objects. And then the overhead means I've said, right, you can get a number of streams whenever the DML operations are happening frequently. For streams it's very minimal, okay, because it's going to keep this offset pointer. Every time the offset pointer going to change, and version of the source will also going to change, okay. That's why there's no overhead, there's no any bottlenecks, it's very minimal. Now I'm going to discuss these three meta columns. Okay, in streams table, these three meta columns will be captured. One is metadata action. The metadata action contains only insert, delete, update, but mostly what happens, right? Insert and delete we can able to see. Update information we can't able to see. Okay. Yeah. So second one is update. If any update happens, right, you can able to see like a boolean value, true or false. And then what happens, right? Already said to you, right? If any update happens, right, delete plus insert will insert records will be captured there. And then each row will have a unique row identifier. Okay. I think you guys have doubts. Whenever I'm doing a demo session, I will clarify you on this. Okay. Now, straight away going to demo session, just do one thing, go to Snowflake, guys, just create a new worksheet. It can be a SQL worksheet. And then now the worksheet got created. Just do one thing, guys, create streams. Yeah, now choose the database, make it as AWS DB, and a schema, public schema. Now already have DDLs with me. Though it's your day one, I went with your minimal amount of columns. One is employees raw. It's a standard table. Okay, we have ID, name, and salary. Varchar is 50. Now just create the DDL and insert the records in the employee raw table. It's a raw table actually. Guys, just do one thing. Just create the DDL. What happens, right? Some space issue is there. Okay, just try to adjust. Yeah, now just create a DDL. Now the DDL got created, and then insert the three records. What I'm going to do is I'm going to perform the CDC, change data capture. I'm writing here. What I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? It's CDC, change data capture. Now you can able to query the raw table. Sujita, how many records will be there in raw table? In raw table, how many records will be there?
3 tables. 3 records.
3 tables, right? In raw table, we have 3 tables, right?
Yeah, 3 records.
3 records will be there. We have 3 records: ID, name, salary. Okay, good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one target table. Target table. The target table is going to be this one. Just do one thing, guys. Have this table. Just create the DDL. Now, which is target table? Just employees. Keep in mind, guys, I'll ask the question again to you. Just salary. Yeah, good. Now the target table columns and source table columns both are same, right? Now what I'm going to do is I want to insert these 3 records into the target table. I want to insert these 3 records into target table. How can I insert?
Insert into.
Correct. I'm asked Sujita Priya. Sujita Priya has to answer for this. Sujita Priya, the employee raw table is there, right? Here I have 3 records. That same 3 records should be inserted in target table. What is the statement I have to use here? I'm just do the lift and shift. Okay, 3 records should come to this table. What is the statement I have to use? Satish? Just to do the lift and shift, right? Guys, I already know, right? Just to have to copy the records into this table. What we will do? Hey,
Insert only.
I'm asking a basic question to you guys. Just to copy the records in table, how will do?
The create table as.
Insert into.
Correct. Insert into.
Select.
Insert into select, right? Insert and select. Is it correct?
Employees. Employees.
Employee. Sorry. Employee.
No,
Insert
sir.
into.
It has.
Employees.
Who said seat as? Who said seat as? Already table is there. Then how will create seat as? Sendamal.
Sorry, sir.
Basic thing it is. Already we have table. Why have to do seat as? Insert employees and then
Select star.
Select star
Select.
from
select star from
Employees raw. Employees raw.
employees raw.
raw. Just 3 records got copied. Okay, now what happens, right? I'm going to query the employees table. Now, how many records in source and target table? In source and target table, how many records will be there?
Three.
3 and 3 will be there, right? Now I think I'm making, sorry, select. Yeah. Now source table and target table are in sync. Did you agree this?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
saying to you guys, source table and target table both are sync. Whether you agree or disagree.
Agree, sir.
Agree. What about Arif? I'm saying source table and target table both are sync.
Yes, sir.
Both are in sync. Now these are the 3 records, same records you can able to see. Able to see
Yes, sir.
in the employees table as well. Now what I have to do is in the source table I have to create a stream. Can anyone help me how to create the stream table based on source table? Few minutes back I said a statement as well.
Create or replace.
Create or replace.
Create or replace. Yeah,
My
and
stream.
then
Streams.
stream, not my stream. Don't memorize.
Okay, sir.
Create or replace
Replace.
stream
Streams.
and give a stream name. Any name you can give. Choose any name, guys. Just thinking about
Delta
like
Employee stream.
yeah, you can put like employee stream or any stream. It's your name also you can put. No issues. Employee stream and then
On
on which table?
employee raw.
raw.
You missed one statement on table. Okay, if
On
you are
table,
creating
sorry.
view, right? If you are creating view, you have to create on view.
view.
Okay, if you are creating directory tables, you have to create directory. Okay, directory will be there. Okay, directory is not there. Okay, on like this you have to do on table, and then its table is going to be
employee.
employees raw. I'm going to monitor this table right now by keeping the offset value. Initially, I will keep it on offset value. From that offset value, if any changes happened, right, I will take this delta part. Okay, now what happens, right? I just going to create your Criteria.
Streams.
Streams, that is EMP streams, employee streams. Just in order to see the stream, I think just will give a try. I didn't use the show command right now. Yeah, show streams. Let's try, give it a try. Show stream. Show stream or streams?
Yes.
Yeah, show streams. Now you can able to see your streams. Okay, just look at our stream, employee stream. Where is my employee stream? This is my employee stream. Sorry, employee stream. And choose see the database name, schema name, who is the owner, account admin is the owner, and table name. Source type is a table. It can be a view or it can be a view or it can be data tables. Okay. Now you can see the base tables. Now what the type? What is the type?
Delta, sir.
Delta. Staleness I will cover it later, guys. Okay. I want to talk about staleness as well. Mode is default and then stale after, invalid reason on a role type. Okay, good. Now you can able to see the streams. If you want to drop the stream, what command do you would use? Drop the stream.
Drop stream.
Streams name. That's it. Okay, and then you can able to alter the streams as well. Good. Now everything fine, guys. Okay, we have created the stream. You can able to see this object as well. Now what I'm going to do is step 2. I'm going to update my which table? Source table.
Employees.
Raw table. I'm going to update my who said employees. I'm saying raw table. Employees raw. We have to do some inserts, updates, everything we have to do. Okay, just I have statement, guys. I'm going to take some statements. I'm going to take first insert statement. Before inserting, I want to show what is there in streams table. Before inserting, I want to show what is there in streams table. What is my stream table name? Employee stream. Now, how many records will be there? Employee stream. Arif?
3.
3, sir. 3.
Still, you guys didn't understand the CDC.
Sir, metadata.
Employees.
See, still you guys didn't understand CDC. If any updates or inserts or deletes happen, then only the delta part will be extracted and put into this table. If you look into the table, how many cards will be there? Now,
0.
0 cards will be there. Make it mute, guys. I'm getting some extra noise. There won't be any records because your table is not refreshed, right? After creating the table, then only applying a stream. Now you have 0 cards. Now what I'm going to do is,
Insert.
Sweeta, what I'm going to do? Insert the records in the raw table. Just look at the record. 104 is a new record or existing record?
New record.
New record because we have only 3 records, right? 101, 102, 103. Now it's a new record. Now just hit run button. Now the new record got inserted into the raw table. Just click on the stream table now. Sorry, just run the stream table now. How many records will be there?
1 record.
1 record.
Only 1 record. Now you can see data is there, ID is there, name is Clark, salary 30,000. What action it is?
Insert action.
Insert action. Metadata is update. It's giving the boolean value false because I'm doing only insert operation. And then for each row there will be unique identifier will be there. It will be alphanumeric. Now why you are not able to see 101, 102, 103? Why you are not able to see 101, 102, 103? My question is, why can't able to see 101, 102, 103?
No changes on the.
Sir, after creating employee streams only we insert.
See, you have to say after creating this employees raw table, what happens? The streams will keep a pointer. What pointer it is? Keep some pointer value. 103 is a pointer. Once it's coming after 103, right? What happens? It will take that part and then you'll put into this streams table. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more insert statement. Now listen carefully, guys. You have to say how many records will be there now. I'm going to add one new record, 105. You have to say inserted. If I run this stream table, how many records will be there?
2 records, sir.
2 records will be there. Correct. You can see 105 Steve is there, 30,000, and then insert, action is insert, boolean is false, metadata is some alphanumeric value. You can able to use this ID to identify this record. Okay, good. The next step, I'm going to do the update operation. Which 3 columns is meta columns? Anand? Which 3 columns are metadata columns? Which 3 columns are the meta columns? Anand?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking which 3 columns are the meta columns?
Sir, ID.
And then, correct, ID and then?
Name.
That is meta column. Yeah, correct. What you're saying is correct. Yeah, next.
Salary, sir.
Salary. This ID named salary are the metadata columns, right? Satish? These 3 are the meta columns.
Metadata
This is
action,
what I
metadata.
this is what I teach you guys, right? These all are the meta columns. He's sleeping and answering the thing. The actual data column is saying is meta column. Which one is meta column? Satish?
Sir, metadata action.
Metadata.
Action. Metadata is update. Metadata row ID. These are 3 are the metadata columns. The streams will maintain these columns internally. It will hold some storage as well. Okay. Now good. What I'm going to do is just going to update. Anand, listen carefully.
Okay, sir.
Just going to update the existing record. I'm going to update one existing record 102. The salary is 50,000. If I run this, it's going to update the source table. Okay. If I query this one, how many records will be there? Anyone?
4 records, sir.
4 records. 4 records.
Who said 3 records? 4 records will be there. Now look into the action. Now, if you look into the 102 alone, just don't look 104, 105. Just look 102. Now, previously, I changed the salary was, what salary, previous salary was? 102, what's the previous salary?
50,000.
55,000. 55,000, right? Now you can see 102, Chris 55,000. What happened? Soft delete has happened here. What it is? It is a soft delete, not a hard delete. It's a soft delete happened. And then what happened here?
Update
True,
true.
sir. Update.
Yeah, this thing I made a mistake, guys. I said it's a boolean value is somewhat false. I said, right? Because what happens, right? It's doing some soft delete because 102 some update is going to happen. It's make it true, and then the new update you can see here 102 Chris 50,000. New update is 50,000, and then it's an insert operation. You can't see any update. Only you can see insert delete combinations. Okay, metadata updated true. Metadata is some alphanumeric values. Okay, this is how it will happen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one more update. Listen carefully, guys. It's ID is 103 now. Satish will say how many records will be there in the stream table if after updating this one.
6 records.
6 records will be there. Now what happened? I did the update. Just look at the 103 alone. Yeah, now look at the 103 alone. Okay, the 103, right? What happens? The old salary should be 40,000. Soft delete has happened. action is delete, and then if you look at 103, right, new values around 45,000, insert is happened, and then update is happened, right? That's why getting true. Good. The next thing is DMLI going to perform is what DMLI will perform? Delete. Going to delete ID 1 or 2. Or if you have to say, I'm going to refresh the source table just to delete operation. 1 or 2 going to get deleted. 1 or 2 going to get deleted. Now, how many records will be there in the stream table? You have to say.
4, sir.
Seven.
Think twice
Seven,
or
sir.
thrice, guys. Think twice or thrice, guys. I'm saying to you, don't blindly answer. Okay, don't blindly answer. Now, you are seeing, right, the update I have given. Where is the update? Previously, the 1 or 2, the salary 55,000. Okay, 55,000 is there, right? That record is not deleted. The new update you given, right, for 1 or 2, 50,000, that one is deleted. Because this is a soft delete. This one is the RF. This one is the
Soft delete, sir.
soft delete. It won't do anything. Okay, if you are trying to delete the 1 or 2, right, what will happen? Whichever record is having some insert, that alone will be deleted. Now you can't able to see 1 or 2.
Yes, sir.
Don't look at this 1 or 2. Okay, it is soft deleted. It is
Soft deleted.
soft deleted. 1 or 3 also
Soft deleted.
Soft delete.
soft deleted. Yeah, don't get confused, guys. Everything is clear now. Now you guys will have a confusion. Why we are finding this kind of things like insert, delete? It's really confusing for me. Whatever the CDC are getting, right, you have to merge those changes in the target table. So now got it? This is a CDC actually. Change data capturing. This change data changes you have to merge into the
Target table.
target table. The target table is our first last priority. Now step 3. Now Sujita is going to help me. Just make it step 3. Just I want to write some logics. Okay, just give me 1 minute, guys. I want to think. It's true and insert, right? Just what we can do here. Yeah. If I want to take only insert records from the stream table, how I can able to filter? I want to take only insert record, insert actions. Insert action means only record got inserted. What we can do? Select star from stream table name is
EMP streams.
EMP stream. Just filter only the insert records.
Where
And
meta
then
action equal to
where
insert.
meta action, metadata action, right? Metadata. Sujita Priya, while answering, think twice or thrice. I asked only insert records. Even though if you are doing update, right, in source table, it will come like insert. Then you have to go with the 2 combinations. If you are taking metadata action as insert and true, this is not insert one, it's the updated one. Satish, you have to consider 2 columns. Metadata action is insert. Update is true. Then what it is? It's update record or a new record?
Sir, update record, sir.
It's update record. Now look at this 1 or 3. Look at this 1 or 4. Metadata action is insert. Update is false. Now this record is insert record or update record?
Sir, insert record.
Insert record. Based on these 2 combinations, you have to decide, guys. If you are getting true here, then it's not the insert record, it's the updated record. Okay, now how to filter? Very simple. Equal to
Insert
insert. Just make it
and
uppercase, guys. Uppercase. And then and
metadata
metadata.
update
Update.
metadata. I think
update
Anand is
Update.
not answering. Metadata.
update equal to false.
Metadata is update, right? Is update equal to
False.
false. That is the insert record. This is how you can able to understand. Now you can able to see only the insert records. These are the 104 and 105 is the insert records. I can show you. 104 and 105 is the insert records. Don't look at the tag, guys. It's update record. Okay. Just these are the insert records. It's coming correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. Now try for update records. This one is insert. Try for update. Try for update.
Select all from EMP stream.
Where
Metadata
metadata
option.
Metadata. Just
dollar
do one
action.
thing. Just will do one thing. I'll copy and paste as it is, and then I'll change the value. Yeah. Now you can see what I have to change here.
Update.
Still, Anand not able to understand these things, simple things. He's
Insert.
saying update, metadata action connects only insert, delete. Okay, again,
Insert.
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 True.
False.
True.
True, sir.
True.
Who said false? It's true, man. Don't confuse others. Now you will get the update records because the update is true, right? Now what happens, right? You got the update records. 103 is the updated one. Okay, now look at here. 103 is the updated one. You might have a question. Why I'm not getting 102? Because 102 is
Deleted.
102 is deleted. Now try for delete. Just a query stream table. Try for delete. Try for the delete.
Sir, metadata action delete.
Yeah, simple one. Just copy as it is. Now I have to look at the delete record. Yeah. What I have to give here?
Delete, sir.
Delete, sir.
Delete. And then
True.
true. Who said true?
False.
See, if you are doing deleting something, what will happen? You are not doing any update, right? What it is?
False. False, sir.
False. Satish, while saying
False.
another thing twice or thrice.
Got it.
Now you're seeing the 102 record. Okay, because the 102 record got deleted. You can see here. Good. Now just capture all this information. It's not in. Just copy all this informations. Okay. Good. Now what I'm going to do is, for your understanding, I did all these things. In the stream table, I have only the CDC logics. After CDC logics, you can see change data records. You can see this record should be merged into the which table? Which table you have to merge? With the target table. Now step 4, last step it is. Whoever worked in the merge statement, they can able to do, because the merge statement is very powerful. If you're not able to, guys, I'm getting some external noise. Whoever work in the merge statement, they can able to work on it. Okay, the merge statement directly I'm saying to you, I'm going to merge into the target table. Or if, what is the target table name?
Sir, target table. Employee raw. Employee, sir.
Employee raw. That's the target table name, right?
Employee raw.
Employees raw is the target table name, right?
No, sir. Source table name, sir.
I'm asking target table name.
Employees.
Employees. Put the merge into employees. Give some alias name. I'm going to give EMP. This employees table alias name is EMP. Now I'm going to use. I'm going to merge the. What I'm going to do? I'm going to merge the changes. Stream table to target table. Stream table to target table. Got it? And then I want to use one keyword called using keyword. If you have worked in the merge statement, you can able to understand. I teach these things to Sendamar, Suita Priya. The merge statement is very powerful. Okay, using, and then you have to take the stream table. Stream table name is stream table name is EMP stream,
EMP.
and then I'm going to perform joins between the two tables, employees and employee stream, because I'm using because of in the employees table also a ID column, employee stream also have ID column, right?
ID card.
ID column. If you are not clear, just query this table and see. Here also have ID column. That's why I'm using. You can see we have the ID column. Now that's the use of using keyword. Both columns are same, and then give an on condition. For employee stream, give some alias. Can I give EMPS underscore S? It's an employee stream table. It's a target table. Okay, good. Now in the join condition, what I have to give?
EMP.id.
EMP.id equal to
EMP
underscore stream
EMPS
dot ID.
ID.
That's it. Simple. I have to write the syntax, guys. For merge statement, the syntax when matched. If it is matched, when matched. When what match? This ID, employee ID, employee table ID, and then stream table ID is matched. That's why I writing condition when matched, and then I writing one condition called AND condition. In the AND condition, what I going to check is if metadata action is delete. Already have the command, right? Just will take this command. Metadata action is delete, and metadata action update is false. I will take this condition as it is, copy as it is, and then paste it here. If the condition is satisfied, now I want to delete from where? Delete in the target table. Target table name is
employees.
employees. If employees, if the condition is matched, right? Okay, if this ID stream table ID and then target table ID is matched, then I am putting an uncondition and checking one more condition. If the metadata action is delete and metadata update is false, then I am want to delete from the which table? From the
target table.
target table. This is how you have to write. Now I want to write another condition. When match, if the condition is not satisfied, directly will come to this match. When matched, again write one condition and just go to this condition for update. Where's the update condition? Yeah, metadata action equal to insert, and then is update true. Then what then?
Sorry. Update.
Then
Updates.
non answering for me. See, method action insert. Method update is true. Then what action it is?
Insert, sir.
Update, sir.
Insert, sir.
Method action is insert. Update is true, but then action
Update,
is
update.
Update.
update. Update. Okay, what I want to update is, listen, guys, I want to write some statement. Update some diode, right? Update set a dot. Okay. Oh, I want to put a. Okay, come on, 1 minute, guys. emp name as change to
Temp underscore s.
see whatever you find the name, right, that name will update to the target table name. Okay, that's what I use. Update emp name equal to, this is a stream table name, this value will be updated here. Good. And then salary also to change, right? Put comma emp dot salary equal to salary equal to emp
EMPS
underscore s
salary.
dot salary. That's
Salary.
it. Now last condition, when not match, if this condition not match, what the action will be? When match, I go and delete it. When match, I going to do the insert. When not match, what the action will be? Final action.
Insert, sir.
Insert, sir.
Insert. That's it. When not match, and I don't uncondition. In the uncondition, just method action equal to insert and update equal to false. Definitely is going to insert. Merge statement is very powerful. Without knowing merge statement, no one should go and give the interview. And then uncondition, I'm checking this condition. If it is insert, I have to insert the new record into the which table? Target table. Can I go with give a try? Then insert, put the column names. What are the column names we have? In target table, what are column names we have?
ID, name,
ID name, sir.
salary.
Salary, and then put values. Values are going to place it. What values I have to place? Very simple guide from the CDC table. CDC means streams table. I have to put the values. EMP underscore s dot ID. EMP underscore s dot
Name.
salary. The name. Correct. EMP underscore s dot name, and then EMP underscore s dot salary. And then this is how you have to write the merge statement. Without knowing merge statement, you can't work in the SCD type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. You can't work in type 6 also. Without knowing a merge statement, very powerful one. You can do all kind of DML operations in a single statement you can do. That's why merge statement is very powerful. The single statement. For understanding a script like this, just run this command. Before that, I'll check twice or thrice. I should not make any mistakes. Delete false, then delete. Okay. And then when matched and condition and insert and true, then update the value. EMPS when not matched, it's going to insert operation. Run it. Now everything is merged into the target table. Now what happened? Number of records are inserted 2. Number of rows updated 1. Number of rows deleted 1. Now how to query the which table? How to query which table? Target table. Target table is employees. That's it. This is how they will update in the dimension table. First they will find the CDC, and then they will update in the dimension table like this by writing some procs. Everything coming correct? 102 is not there. Do you know why 102 is not there?
Deleted, sir.
Deleted, sir.
It's deleted. That's why it's not there. This is how you have to update in dimension tables. Now look at here. 101. I not change anything. Okay. I'll show here. Like 101 will be. 101 is 20,000. I didn't make any changes. You can see 101, 20,000. And then 102 is deleted. 103 Bruce 40,000 is there, right? It won't be there. 103 Bruce because we did the update, right? That record I can show here. Where is the update one? Yeah. 103, right? If you go, yeah, you can see 103, 45,000. That 40,000 is after the target table. Now, look at the 104. The 104 got updated. 104, it's a new record. 30,000. 104, Clark, 30,000, correct. 105, Steve, 30,000. This is how you have to update in the dimension table. Okay, you have to merge all those changes. You have to find the CDC, and then you have to merge changes into the target table. Guys, I'm going to close session right now. Next session, we're going to see the most features in the streams, major features in the streams, and then how to perform the CDCs, how to extract the delta part. Okay, all these we're going to see later sessions.